you ever feel like you need a day off from work? Like just to take a mental health day? Like I'm still extremely tired. And I'm all the way at the back of the line. I've never been this far back. So this means I'm probably going to have to sit through one or two more lights. The light's red right now. But yeah, I feel like I need a mental health day. I'm not going to go into details, but sometimes people could say stuff to you and it puts you in the mind frame of like saying, yeah, B, I see you. I see you. I see what you're saying. I see what you're trying to say without saying it. And it made me angry. This was on Sunday. So it made me angry. It made me hurt. And the light just turned back red. I've been trying to think about what said person said and how they were acting, and I don't like it. And of course I said something to said person, like but yeah, it's just really weird. So basically, because I'm still internalizing that from Sunday, I carried it with me on Monday, carried it with me on Monday. Wait, did that sound right? I don't know, because I'm tired. Anyway, I've been dealing with this since Sunday, and it's been following me throughout the week. And today is only Tuesday. Today is also the day of a viewing I wanted to go to. One of my old classmates and friends, he was killed on a motorcycle on a motorcycle 2 weeks ago. He was a beloved principal with one of our school districts in Delaware. His name was Terrence Newton, and he was making such a positive impact on the community, on his students, and everything. So unfortunately, he passed away. And I mean, I know his service is going to be huge. I know it's going to be big. So I'm just deciding if I'm going to be able to go to the viewing, because I already know it's going to be like packed. So I'm going to try to sneak away from work and get over there. But I know they said the parking is going to be crazy. So people are saying they're going to park at the bowling alley to go over and take one car to the church. Like they're just going to, that's what they're going to do. I'm just going to have to go to the church and try to find parking, because I don't have anybody really to go with me. But yeah, today is Tuesday, and it's just like, I feel like it's a day that I just want to start over. Like, I want to start my whole weekend over again. I want to start Friday night over, Saturday, Sunday, and maybe it put me in a better mindset. But right now, I'm just not feeling it at all. And I have a busy rest of the week. I had a therapy appointment for tomorrow. I had a therapy appointment this week for my legs and my feet, and I told her I wasn't going to come on Wednesday because I do have a Zoom to go to. Now, honey, this is the easy pass lane. How come you ain't got your easy money out? What is going on? Oh my God. Like, who doesn't have... How do you go? Go ahead. Come on. I'm being gracious today, baby. Go ahead. You in the easy pass lane with no knowing you ain't got an easy pass, fool. Get out my way. Messing it up for everybody. Made me forget my train of thought, which is not easy to do. Oh, it is easy to do, actually. So yeah, I just want to start my day off fresh, my week off fresh again. Now I know what I was saying. Zoom. I have a Zoom like something with Mary Kay. One of my friends is doing a virtual Mary Kay party, so I'm gonna support her and do that. I am just not feeling it today at all. Stomach's bothering me. Just feel weird. My coworker gave me some black coffee to try to get my mood up and to get in the mood, but I'm just not feeling today, y'all. I'm really not feeling today at all. I'm gonna attempt to get some work done, see how the day goes. If it keeps going crazy, I'm leaving.
You brought another tripod?
I need another one.
Why you had me fix the other one?
I use both because this one's shorter if you notice.
No, I didn't notice.
Yeah, if you notice.
You wasting my talents.
Wasting your talents?
Yeah, wasting my talents.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
And I'll give you a few minutes, okay?
Thank you. This one's menu right here. Menu right here.
Okay. Cream for me.
Okay, get it. You want help?
So he says he gets a call from a client. The client says, I don't know what to do here. It's like my son just
So I guess I will do the Western omelet. It includes home fries and toast. So I guess I will get bacon with that. Or do I want scrapple? Should they both?
Not a bacon mushroom Swiss omelet, you know?
Let me see that. Let me see that. Oh, that might be good. Yeah, I can do that.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you making a movie or something?
Yes, I am. Just a little YouTube
I
video.
don't know if she's making a movie. You just
I
call it
don't
what you
feel
want.
comfortable being on there, so I'll stand
I
over
can blur
you.
you out. I'll blur you
Alright, I'll stand over you. Go ahead, what are you having?
I would like the bacon, mushroom, and Swiss omelet with a side of scramble, please.
Thank you.
I'll do the steak and eggs,
How do you like your steak?
medium well,
Okay, and your eggs.
over medium,
And your toast.
wheat toast. They come with home fries?
Yes.
Okay, give me a side of sausage gravy.
Same for me, for my home fries.
They actually give you quite big
No,
sizes.
you can share mine.
Okay.
So that's big sausage gravy,
Yeah, that's
right?
enough right there. That's more than enough.
Do you have everything you need right now?
Mustard, please.
Mustard?
Yes.
I'll be right back.
It's more than enough. My father would eat that whole bowl.
Mustard for my scramble.
It's more than I need.
So, babe got the steak. What you got, baby? The steak,
Steak and eggs.
steak and eggs, hash browns, I guess, toast. I have scrapple, the bacon mushroom omelet, potatoes, and he has sausage. Thank you. Sausage gravy. husband is disappointed in the sausage gravy. He's so disappointed. His feelings is hurt.
Got the bag?
Well, if I didn't have the bag, you walked away from the damn bag. Do I got the bag? Do I got the bag? Do I? Do I got the bag?
Have a good day.
You too. Smile, you're on candy camera. What would you do for a Klondike bar? Sir, what would you do for a Klondike bar?
Whatever.
So basically, hubby and I have a busy day today. He has a doctor's appointment regarding his prostate cancer, trying to get him scheduled for surgery. I'm gonna look over here, trying to get him scheduled for surgery. So we decided to go to breakfast. We also have our old car that we're giving to our son. We need to drop that off to the shop so the door and the muffler could get fixed, because right now the door doesn't lock. So we're gonna do that, get the door fixed, the muffler fixed. He has his doctor's appointment, and I have to go to the store to find something for the chance auction tonight for the day op dinner. Hubby's back.
Suck.
What'd you say, baby?
Sausage gravy suck.
The sausage gravy sucked. They could have did better.
Oh my god.
It was hard. Yeah, yeah, it wasn't agreeing with me at all. And you're right, it was kind of like the fake cream chip.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, that shit wasn't hitting.
No.
Where we going? Newcastle? We're gonna go to Newcastle and get the car. I don't want to be recorded. Lady, you is not looking like you something spectacular to record. Calm yourself down. That breakfast was nice.
You said the breakfast was better. He said, you know, I was impressed. Nope.
You gonna tell him we're not impressed?
Nope.
We're not impressed.
You know, if he should say something about the restaurant over there. If I had asked him about the restaurant, he said, it's pretty good. He said, when I first came down, he moved down here. Me and my wife went over there, and you know, it was pretty good. Okay.
No, we should have stuck with what? The Waffle House.
Yep.
IHOP.
Yep.
Restaurant Depot. Want to grab a few things from restaurant. It's the commitment, baby. What you say? We'll see. He said, we'll see.
So you know. Cold up in here. I wish I had a hat. It's freezing. Get the bacon. He almost hit me with the cart. Did I say how cold it is in here?
Did I tell y'all that it's freezing in here? It's freezing. That was quick. Really went in just to get Dungeness crabs. We're gonna meet some friends next week after. We're gonna go to their house and have some Dungeness crabs and shrimp and fish. Haven't seen them in a while, so that is what we'll be bringing. Yeah, I mean, only one case of Dungeness. One case is staying home. And one shrimp. So one shrimp going up, one, yeah. Trying to get our floors done, going down the basement. But we called 2 people and they're like, one person had there to tell us that basically our job wasn't worth their time, honey. And I said, oh, you not worried about our little bit of money? Okay. And then he tried to clean that shit up. We are always out eating. We're at Waffle House right now. Yeah, I would see your car if I was trying to park and that was a park spot. They're complaining about the way I park my car and I really don't care. Yes. I parked my car a little crooked, not intentionally, but I wasn't fixing it. There's plenty of other parking spots. They'll be fine. It's not even about the fact that you park like that. It's
I'm gonna step on my Uggs.
He said don't step on his Uggs. I'm not saying please step on my foot. It's not the fact that there's other parking spots. It's the fact that you park like that. What you gonna do about
That's why
it?
you should have drove. I asked you if you wanted to drive.
No. What you gonna do about it?
We know you would have parked perfect.
That's a damn lie.
Yeah, and know what happened? You know what? She was too embarrassed to go back and move the car. That's why she didn't want to do it.
I wasn't embarrassed. That wouldn't embarrass me.
She didn't want to go back and move the car. We know
Because
the deal.
I didn't feel like it has
No,
nothing
you
to do with
didn't want to take that walk back over there like,
Whatever.
dang, I look kind of stupid doing this.
I saw how it was when I got out. It ain't had nothing to do with walking back. Worry about yourselves.
Stop recording me, please.
I ain't gonna stop recording. What you gonna do if I don't? What you gonna do? Not a damn thing. The only reason why I'm including this is because I did not end the vlog the other day when we left Restaurant Depot. So I just wanted to end it here decently. So I'm going to show a little bit of our breakfast and stuff like that and properly end it in the car. The remnants of breakfast. I think I did pretty good. Dad, of course, if he had ever finished his food, so he has to take some with him. Maya finished hers. Yeah, this is all I have. But we did pretty good. Ready, Mama? Yes. Why is it not okay?
You bought that camo outfit knowing what shoes you was gonna put on.
No, I did not. I was going to wear my black sneakers, but I changed my mind. And I saw
It
your
looks better
sister's
with them.
sneakers,
Stop.
and I said, I'm going to wear them. Why are you so pressed? Oh my God, you stay
You're
pressed.
not helping, gray hat. You're not helping.
Oh, me.
Oh, you.
At least she knows her colors.
It seemed like we
So
spent all
ugly
week
and grimy.
eating.
I don't like y'all people. I don't like y'all. Because why would you?
Well, you feed people and they just get real ignorant.
Thank you for food, actually. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Pops.
You're still a tax deduction. That's all right.
I just hit the curb real hard. I got out the look. My bad. Let's go get these nails and feet done, girl.
Am I getting acrylics?
Ask Daddy if you want acrylics. Okay. Be a first tomorrow. Sure, he's not gonna say no to his special little girl. Nails. I wasn't gonna get a feel, but I'm gonna get a feel while I'm here. I'm getting white on my toes. What you doing? Pink. He got money. He said we're getting deluxe. We're getting deluxe. So we can get robbed on. He must have messed up somewhere along the line with me. He must be trying to get back in my good graces. Deluxe. You alright, Barney? Barney Fife. Maya's finished nails and mine. Oh, is that the Soto Bosses? Hey. So let me tell y'all how my morning is going. I went out to my car earlier to put some things in it, and it was a lot of frost and it was cold. So I went to start the car with the automatic starter and it wouldn't start. So I got in the car, sat down. I didn't push the brake because I didn't want to fully start the car because I was not ready to leave out for work. I still had things to do. So I pressed the start button twice, which turns on the heat and all that stuff. I put it on defrost. Okay, great. Finish getting the rest of my things together and I go outside and my car is off. Go to unlock the car doesn't unlock. So I'm like, go to the other side, the car doesn't unlock. Doesn't even recognize I have the key in my hand. So I call my husband, who is all the way up in East Bubblefuck right now, upstate New York somewhere, to say, hey, give me the code so I can punch in the code to get in the car. He's like, well, if the car's not coming on, honey, the code ain't going to help you. He said, use the key. So I forgot my Lincoln has a hidden key. So I finagle with that, get the hidden key out, go unlock the car, go to start the car. Car is not starting. Car ain't starting at all. So I'm like, this just ain't working. Call hubby back. He tells me get out the little automatic jumper that he brought us. He brought me and my daughter this portable jumper cable system. His signal's going out. So I saw one of my neighbors and asked him if he could help. And he's like, okay, well, the black thing, you could just put that on any metal piece. That shit didn't sound right. But anyway, I said, well, I'm just looking for the positive, because no, I don't pay attention when my husband shows me these types of things. I don't. So when he gives me another lesson on how to do this, I'm probably going to record it so I know what I'm doing. But I always believe in trip away, trip away. But anyway, I'm like, this don't sound right what he's telling me, dude. Just put the black negative cable anywhere. Why wouldn't you put it to where there's a negative? But okay. So I had the red one where it was supposed to be. End up talking to my husband. And he's like, nope, why do you have that there? It goes back there. So we do that. Like 30 minutes later, my car is acting like it wants to start, but it's really not starting. It's giving that radio comes on, seat rolls back, but my car is just not turning over. And the way that I parked, I'm blocking the other two cars in the driveway. So in essence, I really should be able to jump out of the MKX, get in the caddy, and go. Or I should be able to jump in the pickup truck and go. But I can't because of the way I parked the car, partially blocking the driveway. So I just said, you know what? I'm not going to keep fooling. My hands is dirty. I'm not fooling with this car on this Monday morning. I said, God is telling me to stay home. God is saying, girl, don't you got a lot of housework you need to get done anyway? You need to take a vacation day. You tired. You were stressed all last week. You still need to decompress, get yourself together. You done brought you a couple bottles of Prosecco. You got you some cheese. You got you some crackers. Just do the housework that you wanted to get done before your mother-in-law and father-in-law get here for Easter. Just go ahead, take the day. Your work is going to be there tomorrow. And I could be saving you from a traffic accident. You rushing, trying to get to work and trying to get this car started and trying to crash the other cars, getting other cars out the driveway. Don't even worry about it. Text your bosses and let them know you will be taking a vacation day today. Period. No conversation, no working from home because I did not bring anything to work home with. And let that be the end of it. And just do what you need to do today. I'm giving you this time. And also, anyway, I have therapy. And that means I don't have to rush on the road trying to get home and get changed and get to this therapy appointment. And in the midst of all of this happening, my pumpkin's mom called me. Her and my son were taking my grandbaby to daycare, and they were like, Joe Biden's in town and the whole highway is shut down, plus it was an accident. So I'm like, once again, that's God telling me, sit your ass down. That job will be there tomorrow. That paperwork will be there tomorrow. Don't go into work today. Take care of what you need to take care of here at home. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, having said all of that, and if you have made it this far, I am so sorry for the way that my videos have been ending, but I am going to start properly starting and ending my vlogs. So this is the ending to what I'm about to post. For the uploads that I have ready for yesterday, that's been on since April 4th. I've been like collecting footage, but this is what I want to say. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, liking, and commenting my videos. I really appreciate it. Once I reach 200 subscribers, which I had 200, and I was ready to do my little $50 giveaway, Cash App giveaway, but them few people, they unfollowed for whatever reason. Must be something about me that they said, this bitch ain't it. She cussed too much. She's too, nah. I thought she was just somebody that's going to be cooking and blah, 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 and talking regular. And this bitch is just this hood and ghetto and tacky and whatever. And I don't want to follow her. It's something about her that I don't like. So I'm going to unfollow her. And that is A-okay. Because for the ones that unsubscribe, there will be more that will subscribe. So again, once I reach 200 subscribers, I will be doing a 200 subscriber giveaway. $50 automatic Cash App. Once you get selected, I'll be depositing $50 into your Cash App. So thank you again for those that have supported me, my friends, my family, other small YouTubers that have reached out. I really appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. It's so much more that I want to say, because I told y'all I am a talker. I can talk. I'm an only child. All I could do is talk to myself growing up. So I don't have a problem with talking. But anyway, please feel free to not just watch, but engage in the comments. A lot of my friends and families do this. They'll talk to me later on and they'll be like, oh girl, this and that, I was watching your video. Then why are you not leaving a comment? Engage with me in the comments so that other people could start to engage. Other people could start to ask questions as well. It's great that you're talking to me, but we talk all the time. We're friends, we're family. Start leaving comments. It's not hard to do. Let your fingers do the talking. Let your fingers do the typing. But I said I could talk, but I'm going to end it here. I'm going to go ahead and get some of this housework done. But I appreciate you all and thank you again. Peace out.